What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Back-to-back sunroofs. They don't stop. I appreciate all the love to Rob's Customs getting these sunroofs installed here. People that travel many hours to come here to Rob's Customs get something done by me. I appreciate you guys. Much love. We got another one in Artesia, New Mexico, about 4-hour drive. Sleepy Eye single cab step side Silverado. We're gonna be doing a brand new sunroof install. Got it right here, along with the Starlight headliner, black suede, black everything out. Let's check out the truck. Here she is, guys, just been dropped off by the customer. I like those wheels, and it sounds nice too. I guess this has had a previous sunroof before, and they covered it because I guess it was leaking, but you can see where the weld marks are right there where it's rusting. I bet it has a lot of Bondo. Usually when it cracks, it's a lot of the Bondo, but here's what she's looking like. We're gonna go ahead and rip her out, check the inside of it, see if everything looks good on the bottom side, since they did add this metal, and then go ahead and install ours. Alright, guys, we're gonna start by taking off the old fabric on this headliner. We're gonna get rid of all this, get it all cleaned up so everything looks just like this, so we can throw in our new headliner on there, the suede. And then I did take off the, since I did take off the headliner, you can see what they did on the inside. It's not too good. Yeah. So a lot of the cracking you can see here, and then with the rust, and then they put these little metal things here for that way the roof doesn't cave in, which all this would have to, it's gonna have to be cut. I'll cut it, but then I'll leave a little bit so that way the sunroof covers it. Mine's gonna end up coming out to about over here anyways, the sunroof. So yeah, it's kind of sucks. It's more work for me to do, but we'll get them done. You can see here they cut this for the motor, so I did have a weld on sunroof. Usually if you cut this back part out, you don't have to do this. A lot of people don't cut this back part out, and then it gets in, the sunroof gets into the way of this bracing. This is an important bracing here, so that's why they trimmed it. But it all depends on what the customer wants at the time. So all right guys, we got the sunroof installed. Everything is wired up, powered up. We're finishing up the headliner, and then we'll go ahead and put it in with the Starlights. She's looking like right now. We'll get the headliner done, put everything back together. All right, guys, install's done. Took a little longer than I expected. The old headliner, someone wrapped it already with fabric, and the glue that they used was a real good professional glue. Was a pain in the ass to take the foam off of it. That took a few hours to get it done, so that killed a couple of hours out of the time, but it's all done. All we gotta do is put the third brake light on, and we should be good. Put a Rob's Custom sticker on there.